Hey there, on this lesson we will be looking at identifiers, illegal identifiers, whitespaces, data types and simple data types. An identifier is the name of something that appears in a program. Consists of letters, digits, and the underscore character dot must begin with a letter or underscore. C++ is case sensitive. Number is not the same as number. Two predefined identifiers are count and sin. Unlike reserved words, predefined identifiers may be redefined, but it is not a good idea. Examples of legal identifiers in C++ are: first, conversion, parate. Examples of illegal identifiers and reasons why they are illegal as well as how to correct them. On the first identifier, there can be no space between employee and salary. The correct way will be to write it without a space in between. On the hello identifier, the exclamation mark cannot be used in an identifier. The correct way is to write it without the exclamation mark. On the 1+2 identifier, the symbol plus cannot be used in an identifier. The correct way is to write it without the plus sign. On the last identifier, an identifier cannot begin with a digit. The correct way is to write it in words. Whitespaces. Every C++ program contains whitespaces. Include blanks, tabs, and new line characters. Proper utilization of whitespaces is important. Can be used to make the program more readable. Data types. A data type is a set of values together with a set of allowed operations. C++ data types fall into three categories: simple data type, structured data type, and pointers. Simple data types. C++ data types fall into three categories. Three categories of simple data: integral, integers, numbers without a decimal. Can be further categorized: char, short, int, long, bool, unsignature, unsignatured, unsignant, unsigned long. Floating point, decimal numbers. Enumeration, a user-defined data type. Simple data types. Different compilers may allow different ranges of values. Int data type. Examples: -6728, 0, 78, +763. Positive integers do not require a plus sign. A comma cannot be used within an integer. Commas are only used for separating items in a list. That is all for this lesson. Please share your thoughts on the comments section below on where I can improve. If this benefits you in any way, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. See you on the next lesson and thank you for watching.